keep on going because this is really cool of a training, right? Of how to break down into steps this process. Whenever you break it down, it's much easier to do skateboarding tricks, right? Watch out for that. That's good, all right. Okay, so now try to film me, and I'll do kind of the same. Okay, thank you. And at the end, we'll run some music and just do some idles and stuff. So, all right, that was the tutorial. As you see, after 3 steps, she was already able to jump on the board. Now, I'll try to combine it and do like a proper, you know, motion. Let's see how it goes. All right. All right, yeah, cool. So there's also a really easy trick on skateboards that I'll show you to end this session. You put the board like this. You can kill yourself with this trick, so watch out. And basically, you need to commit to jumping on the board. And then you, yeah, it didn't come out. Let me try one more time. And you have to kind of, woo! So yeah, that's the trick. And you can also, you know, basically break it down in a way where you work like this. You flip it, right? And then you do the jump, right? If you do it 20 times, when you're comfortable with the jump, then you'll be able to try to combine it. All right, I need some music to end off the session with a nice, where's the iPad? iPad. There it is. Let me unlock it. I'm getting really tired. Mocap is so exhausting. All right. If you could be the operator for this session now, so we do everything without holding the phone. Watch out, don't block the view. All right. 3, 2, 1. Just improvise. Think that you're in a park. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, music. Give it with. You can always use your. All right, good. Yeah, keep on going. Try to do it one more time. Break it down. Yeah, feel comfortable with the jumps. That's the first thing, and then you can add more stuff to it, right? You can go all the tricks that come later, right? When you have that going, right, you can start, you know, experimenting also with flip, which is, you know, flipping the board twice, and then it will jump back off, right? Yeah, I think I would just practice with your hand first to get the hang of it, and then you can, you know, work with that. Oh, you need a stronger flip on that. Ty masz być ruchomy. Ty masz wszędzie pracować. Ty masz być pod nią wszędzie. Na close-upach do deski i tak dalej. Try to, yeah. Co? That's okay. Oh, yay! Yay! All right, come on. Do another one. Nice. Yeah, keep on going. I'll be. So, all right. So you're getting the hang of it, right? Yeah. The flips. And now, if you can try it, don't jump on the board, right? Just do that thing and try to flip it, right? Nice. Okay, do it. It's a 3 times. If you do it 3 times, you got it. Nice. Okay, you got it. All right. And now the last part of the tricks. All right, do it one more time. Nice. Okay, you get the hang of it. Okay. And then you can do the jump, right? And it's already a trick because you flip the board from, you know, It's just,
Should I jump at the same time when I'm flipping the board?
well, that's when you combine everything.
Okay.
So you can start with the board like this, right? And then do the jump, right? But all right, let's finish off this session with how to do this, because I've noticed you don't know how to do this, which is how do you get the board in your hand with this? Try it. So watch out. So tricks, right? How to do it. You have to be really, you can't just go like that. I mean, kind of, you see? It just, you have to push through it and it will just go. It's not more of a, you know, but you can break it down for now, if you like. So you press down and then you wake it up. And then once you get the hang of it, you can actually go and pick it up in your hand. Remember, it's that going through it. Go through it, but really from the side here, right? Got it?
Okay, yeah.
All right, try it.
The first one, I can do it.
Yeah. Yeah, push through it. But watch out, don't hurt yourself because it will flick up. Yeah, push it. Nice, that's it. That's always it, right? Nice. Yeah. Those markers are pretty robust. They're doing the job, which is fine. Even on a skateboard. Okay, and now, last to combine it, right?
Okay.
Try to do the whole thing, which is just walk up, do the rolling start, right? Get off, right? And flick it. Something like that. Ouch. Yeah, watch out. It's a dangerous device. And let's do it maybe this way so we don't, yeah. That's the only thing we don't want the skateboard going into a LED screen. So the cameraman, all right? Almost, one more time, last try. Okay, yay! And that concludes our session for creating a tutorial about skateboarding and motion capture.